What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to post multiple posts on one Instagram post at the same time, whether that being photos or videos. I'm going to be doing both photos and videos just for the example of this video, just so I could show you that it is possible to do both on Instagram. I'm sure you've seen it before where somebody just has a photo, like on my home screen right now, where there's just multiple posts and photos on there, and you could just swipe through and see the different photos. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So once you go and post your Instagram post like normal, kind of towards the center of the screen towards the right, there's an option for multiple photos, and then it's going to take you to this menu here, and you could select the photos, and the way that you select them, in the order you select them, is also going to be the order that it's going to appear when your viewers swipe through on your post. And you can see here, once I click next, it shows the preview of the post, and you can just swipe through and it's going to show you exactly how it's going to look once you post it onto your profile, and then your followers swipe through, and it's going to show exactly like that with the caption like a normal Instagram post would be, like I'm sure you've seen on your Instagram feed before. If you have any questions on how to do this or how this works, though, be sure to comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.